What's up guys, welcome to media class. Today I have another quick video. I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So here in Lightroom we're going to begin by bumping up the contrast to bring out those finer details and add some definition. As you can see. Alright, then we're going to go down here to vibrance and color. We're going to bump that up to bring some more life into the photo. Like that. And the same thing with saturation, just to add some more color. Okay. And as you can see, it really brings out the yellows and the greens. And that's what we want to achieve essentially. It's bringing out those finer details within your photograph. And here I'm going to do the same with the blues to really bring out the blue in the sky. Add some extra life, as you can see there. Down here to clarity, add some more definition. Brings out some more details, as you can see here on the rocks and things like that. Over here around the edges as well. And I'm going to do the same with sharpening just a little bit. It kind of does that with the overall picture. Help bring out those finer details. I'm going to head over to the vignette. And as you can see, when I bump it up here, it gives me these flushed out white edges, which I do not want. So I'm actually going to go the opposite way. And as you can see, it brings out the darker in the edges, just to add some like bold look to it. I'm just going to bring it down just a bit. It intensifies the look. So as you can see there, big difference. Yet not too much. You know what I mean? I still stay within how the photo originally looked, but I just add more detail. I bring out more life and more color. And again, this depends on all your style, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick and easy way in Lightroom to add life to your photos and really take them to that next level. And if you want, you can actually copy the settings. If you don't know this, just by clicking here, and then you can paste them on other photos. So if you have multiple photos that are shot in a similar setting, you can use these same settings on them just to work quicker. So I hope this helps, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.